Welcome to the CoPOS Applying Coupons video. Applying coupons is often very simple, but there are a few things you should know. First of all, it is best to enter all items before entering coupons. We'll go ahead and enter pizza and select pizza bagels, mini cheese, and enter a quantity of 1. If the coupon has a barcode, it can be scanned just like any other item. We'll scan our coupon for $1 off the pizza bagels. We see a couple of things here. After the price, star C appears, showing that a coupon has been applied. In the payment total box at the bottom left, we see that a coupon line has been added and the $1 is indicated here. The sale totals in the upper right also reflect the amount after deducting the coupon. In most cases, it is as simple as that. We'll go ahead and pay for our pizza bagels. Enter .pays remainder. Record this sale yes. No receipt. Record another sale. As long as the coupon is scannable, CoPOS automatically knows what to do. If there is no barcode or the barcode is illegible, you will need to do a little more. First of all, let's enter a couple of items, our favorite pizza bagels, and some apples. The customer hands us a coupon that our store issues for $1 off produce, and there's no barcode on the coupon. At the bottom right of the screen, we see that the F8 key deals with coupons, so we'll go ahead and press that. Apply coupon to line number. The last line number, 2, is pre-filled, and since it is the apples we want to apply the coupon to, we go ahead and press enter. Coupon amount, we'll enter $1. Now we are prompted for coupon type. If the coupon was from an outside company, we would select manufacturer coupon, but since the coupon was issued by our store, we'll select store coupon. CoPOS asks us to confirm. We'll select yes. CoPOS prompts us for another coupon. We have none, so we'll press enter. Now let's say we want to unapply the coupon against the apples. Again, we'll press the F8 key. We'll arrow over to remove a coupon and press enter. And notice the star C is gone and the totals have returned to pre-coupon amounts. Finally, let's take the situation of a special type of store coupon, the store-wide coupon. This is a coupon that your store issues to apply to an entire sale. They are set up in the store-wide coupon database, option 4.16. CoPOS will proportionally apply the coupon amount across items in the sale. All items must be entered before applying a store-wide coupon. Again, if your store uses scannable versions of store-wide coupons, CoPOS takes care of everything once you scan the store-wide coupon at the end of a sale. If the store-wide coupon is not scannable, you will need to press the F8 key, select Apply a Coupon. We'll enter .S here for store-wide. A list of store-wide coupons appears. We'll select number 2, $2 off the sale. Now we'll enter our payment and finish recording the sale. If you forget, remember pressing the F10 key usually brings up the help you need. Thank you for watching the CoPOS Applying Coupons video.